Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Display. Then scroll down again, choose Font Size and Style, go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. After that, you need to click on this icon next to Rosemary one and wait. When it's ready, click on the back button, and in order to apply your font, just click on it. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!